Hey Sam, I want to improve my English skills. Do you have any tips?
Yeah, definitely. First, practice speaking as much as you can, like we're doing now.
That's a great idea. What else can I do?
Listen to English, podcasts, or watch TV shows and movies in English. It'll help you. Get used to the sound and rhythm of the language.
Okay, that makes sense. And what about reading?
Reading is awesome too. Start with simple articles or news websites and gradually move to books or novels.
Got it. And what about grammar? Rules? I always get confused.
Don't worry too much about grammar rules. Just focus on communicating and getting your point across.